Okay, welcome everybody. I wanted to do a real quick recap and explain how you could have taken such good advantage of this binary event, the Super Bowl of binary events for this year is what everyone's calling it. And I've been getting messages from my private clients. They made at least 10 times what what the courses cost in one trade. This has been unbelievable. Let's review what we talked about just yesterday. Just yesterday, I said there's still time in my video to put on an election day trade. I think I did it, and I believe I showed you something like this. All right, you could do 9 days expiration. I zoomed in, and this is not yesterday. This is today, but I taught you guys that Indo, this shaded area is the expected move. Okay, so you could have placed your trade right outside that expected move and still make money. Let me zoom out real quick and I'll show you. So what you want to do is you can bring your expiration days in for that to be 9 days. That's perfect. And then you can bring in these strikes like this. So you have two choices. You can do one standard deviation away, which is these blue vertical lines that say one standard deviation away. Okay. Or you can play it right outside that move. Okay. So meaning, watch this, right outside that shaded area. Okay, and then if you don't have an IRA, you can take off these positions like this. If you do have an IRA, do it like kind of like this, and it'll be like a synthetic make it. Okay, and you could even watch. So I'll show you the difference. Okay, look, $7 credit, right? If I delete this and then I delete this, you can collect more money. The reason why you only have it says you have a 56% chance of making at least a penny is because we brought these in so close. I don't recommend that, but the point I'm trying to make is if you had done this yesterday, okay, look what happened to the market. This is the futures, right, for the S&P 500 up here. So here is where we closed yesterday, right? So the math said it'll stay within a certain range, right? So, well, what happened was as soon as they saw that Trump was winning, look what happened to the markets overnight. So there was something called lock limit down, meaning I think once the futures dropped 5%, they shut it off. Can't trade no more really, right? Until the following day. Well, here's what happened. Lock limit down, and then look where we ended up. Look where we are now. Look where we closed yesterday. So we're basically back to where we closed yesterday. And then if I zoom out, this is over. I think I can zoom out. Oh, I can't zoom out, but I can move it over. Oh, wait. I don't have my little one. Here we go. I can move back in a few days. Well, I'll do a 15-minute chart and you can see. Look, we're actually higher than we were all last week, last 5 days. So what do you think happened to IV rank? Let's look. Here's a daily chart. Okay. Here's the last 6 months. Okay. Look what, well, here, more importantly, here's the last week. Look what happened. Remember, I've been talking about IV rank hitting 50. Got highs here. Now look how fast it dropped. Okay. Bam. Election was 2 days ago. Even if you did a trade only last night, remember the trades I put on and I've showed on my private lines what I did. I put on back here. Nice, nice chunk of change. Even if you did it overnight, because look what happened. We ended up at the same exact spot. So basically we ended up within the range. Now remember, now when you do this, for all you new people, here's what this means. See this green area? The green area is if the stock lands anywhere in this green area, you're making money. Though the formula says here's where they expect the market to move. So you're betting this $210 put. What that means is you're betting that the market will stay above this price and you're betting that the market will stay below this price. And usually we don't do it this close. Usually we do this. We take it to this one standard deviation line. See this right here? We move this out here like this, and we do it 45 days out, meaning this number says this is close to 45 days expiration. So again, what that means is anywhere in the green you make money. And in plain language terms, you're making bets with other people that at the end of 9 days, or really at the end of 45 days, that the market will still be within this range. And people pay you to make this bet. Meaning you're collecting your bet. You have an 84 chance of this position being right. You have an 85% chance of this position being right. Combined, you have about a 73 chance of your entire trade being right. And someone's willing to pay you 60 cents to do it. Well, that's at the end of 9 days, and that's because we're so far out. The farther you go out, if I go out to 45 days, you will see, oh, way too much. Sorry, my bad. Look, 39 days. If I move this out here to roughly 84% and 84% on each side. Let's see, right? So I can collect more roughly like this, right? I can collect $1.30. It's $135 per contract. That's, you have a 72% chance of making a penny. Here's what the formula says it'll go, and here's where you're betting. So it was a great, great night. I just wanted to recap this real quick because anyone who listened to me the last 5 days alone, I take your profits, email me. You know what I mean? If you have any questions, call me. All right. But this has been great. This is what, now this is, if you didn't make a trade, that's okay. What I want you to get out of this is why you made money. Oh, let me go back to this. Here's what I mean by you can make money whether the stock market goes up, down, or sideways, even over the last 9 days. So I'm going to just go show you this bet if you just made this bet here. So market goes down, it's still in the green, you're going to make money. I'm going to make it this right here, 84%, 84%. You see this? You make money either way. Up, down stays the same as long as IV rank collapses within this 9-day period. This usually is 45 days. Now, here's why you can't make money buying options. A lot of you say, well, you know, why can't we just buy the option? Well, look, even if you were right on direction, betting that the market will go higher, right? So let's say you bought a call options betting yesterday, betting that the market will go higher. You have to pay for that. So here's what that means. Watch, I'll clear this real quick. We'll do a strategy, we'll do an option, and let's say you buy a call. Okay? Look. So what you're betting is in 9 days that the market would have been whatever, above where it is. Okay? You have a 50% chance of being right. Your profit of making money is only 39%. Why? When you buy a call option, you have to pay for it. Okay, so if you buy a call, you're betting that the SPY will stay above $214 at the end of 9 days in this example. Okay, so you're like, well, wait, Mark, we're already winning, right? It's above $214. Yeah, but you have to pay for this. Well, how much did you have to pay? $2.49 if you do it today, right? So that means the stock market has to go up $2.51 above this. So $216.53 before you make any money. That's why if I zoom in here, see the green area doesn't start till you get all the way up here. Here's the other thing. Not only do you have to be right this way, IV rank has to climb. So this number here has to be higher for this position to make any money. So look what happened. So let's say you did this yesterday. Well, look what happened to IV rank. You were right on direction, but not right enough. It didn't go high enough, and look what happened to IV rank. You collapsed. And that's why so many people lose money and saying options doesn't work. They're doing the totally wrong thing. All right. So anyway, hit me up with any questions. I'll post this real quick. It's going to be a hectic day. Take off your profits if you have any, and reload. Okay. If you want to wait for IV rank to climb again, you can do that as well. If not, hit me up and I will. If you have any questions about private coaching and what's going on in that world, let me know. If not, just do this. You'll be all right. All right. Happy trading. Glad you guys all made money. Have an awesome day.